So why don't you use that login details for business in Borzo? Will that work? Mahinder ji, kindly revert. I have removed Rupesh from Dunzo because I was sharing this password. Now, if Borzo does not revert to us, then we have to go ahead with Dunzo. Are you like making a custom module or whatever, because Rupesh gave you all details that is needed? Now you need to either go with Borzo or with Dunzo. So what are we doing? Kindly revert on that. I'm trying to even chat with them on their website. Borzo, what's wrong? Hi, you're not replying to my email. Why are you not replying to my email, Borzo? My website plugin is not done yet. Kindly sort it out. Soumya, is this you? I don't know. Is this you? On Borzo website?
कर रहा है बट वो मतलब उन्होंने 2 बार डिस्कनेक्ट किया, फिर इसके लिए मेल किया।
नहीं मैडम, मेरा कॉल
मैं
रिसीव मैडम मेरा कॉल मैं रिसीव कर रही हूँ। कोई भी कॉल मेरे पास आया नहीं है। शायद
नहीं, ये वाला कॉल ये जो है ना, आप ये जो मैनुअली जा रहा है ना, आपने ये वाला रिसीव किया। एक मेरे जो मैनेजर थे ना, वो आपको कॉल कर रहे थे आप अपने पर्सनल नंबर से।
नहीं, मेरे पास कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड्स है। कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड्स में कोई पर्सनल मैनेजर का नंबर नहीं आया है। आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है।
नहीं मैम,
मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है। आप स्क्रीनशॉट भेजिए मुझे प्लीज।
मैम मैं आपको बता रही हूँ नंबर। हाँ ठीक है, मैं बता रही हूँ, 1 सेकेंड।
See how much are they lying? There is no call today. Any missed call? हाँ मैडम बोलिए, कौन से नंबर से कॉल किया है?
8686।
हाँ बोलिए।
577।
हाँ
40।
हाँ
533।
ऐसा कोई नंबर मेरे कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड पे आया ही नहीं है। ठीक है,
1 मिनट, मैं आपको स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर कर दूंगी। एंड आप है ना, ये सौम्या को भी पूछ सकते हो, उनको भी कॉल किया गया था। हाँ मैंने आपको ये नंबर दिया है मैम, आप इस पे कॉल कर सकते हो।
क्या नंबर है फिर से बोलिए, बिकॉज ये नंबर से मेरे को तो कोई मिस्ड कॉल आया नहीं है।
हाँ ठीक है, आप चाहिए तो आप उनसे उनको पूछ सकते हो कि उनको आया है कि नहीं आया।
आप नंबर बोलिए फिर से मैडम, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है ये कोऑर्डिनेशन के लिए।
8686
आगे बोलिए।
40।
हाँ
533।
8657740533।
राइट।
ये किसका नंबर है?
ये कंपनी का ही नंबर है।
क्योंकि मैडम आप है ना, मुझे जो बोल रहे हैं ना कि ये नंबर ने मुझे फोन किया है, ये नंबर ने मुझे फोन नहीं किया है। मेरे कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड्स आप भी रिकॉर्ड हो रहे हैं और कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड का स्क्रीनशॉट भी है। ठीक है मैडम, अब मैं ये नंबर पे फोन करती हूँ और सौम्या जी को बोलती हूँ बात करें, क्योंकि हमको काम खत्म करना है, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है। ठीक है।
एंड मैम API का मेल हमने डाल दिया है, उनको बोलो कि वो मीटिंग कनेक्ट करे।
मीटिंग कनेक्ट करे?
हाँ
ठीक
वो
है,
भी कर दिया है हमने।
ओके ओके मैडम, थँक यू।
कॉल केला गेलेला नंबर त्यावेळेस नेटवर्क कव्हरेज एरिया म्हणजे संपर्क।
Basically, it's a food industry. So, ma'am, can you?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please?
See, now the whole thing is weight of the packet. Now, if there is one ghar ka thali tiffin, it will be I'll have to wait. I'll have to now check the weight on the weighing machine, because there'll be, suppose only the customer orders poha, then that will be just poha. Suppose the customer orders 5 plates of poha, so the weight will be whatever weight of poha plus 5 times. So can do we have a range like 0 to 1 kg or 1 kg to 5 kg, like that way, so we can have a rough idea for everything?
Actually, you need to always mention the weight in kg. Okay, let's suppose if poha, okay, and
Huh.
it's approximate in grams, okay, like 500 or 300 something gram. Okay, I'm just giving you example. Okay, but
Huh.
you need to always put the weight in kg. Like it's suppose, for example, your packet and your like any food product is coming under category of within 500 or 800 or 1000 something. So you always suggest you need to put the weight always 1 kg. Okay, there is no charges for this. Okay, I
Okay.
think 0 to 10 kg there is no charges on the weight. But
Okay.
if the weight is above 10 kg, that time there is should be charges from both your side. Mahima
Okay.
is the right person. She can confirm about with this. Okay, so you can mention whenever you will place the order, you can also put the weight that time also. There is no issue with that. Okay, just go a little bit down, sir, on the page. Yeah, there is some field actually like fixed delivery price. You can use according to your requirement here. Okay, we have mentioned some of the particular field. Okay, but the main field right now you need to mention, and you need to start the API integration process. Right now I'm just telling you. You have click on declared value. Okay, so this is something related to ordered parcel secure value. Okay, so if you click on this button, okay, so that time let's suppose your something is happening with your order. Okay, like order is damaged by rider side, or maybe rider run away or stole the package. So that time the Bojo will compensate that amount to you of the order value basically. Okay,
Okay.
and send SMS to receptionist person. Actually, this is something related to you want to send the tracking URL link to your end customer. Okay, where is the rider location basically? What is the name of the rider? And currently on my order, which rider is working? The phone number is also available. So we will send the SMS to your end customer so that they can also track the order at their end by using tracking URL link, or they can contact if they want to do the rider as well. They can
Okay.
contact.
Okay. Okay.
And just go a little bit down, sir. Order synchronization status, you can select some of the order according to requirement. Let's suppose looking for the courier. Okay, so there are some limited status here like processing, pending, or cancel. So you can select some of the status here. Okay, let's suppose if we the order status is right now we are looking for a courier. So that time in WordPress model, okay, which status will be reflected basically. So you can select or you can skip. It's totally up to you. And you can click on continue button now. Save settings, save settings.
So this is completely done. Means
Yes, it's
setting is
completely done. Now you can go in WooCommerce and orders page.
So we just test some
Yeah,
order.
you need to click is butter paratha, total weight, okay, declared value, and the pickup detail. Okay, pickup detail it is mentioned here. Okay, timing, what timing the rider need to pick up the parcel from from to till date, actually till timing was okay basically. And the same thing you can see the drop address as well. So you can cross verify these details, the customer name and phone number, if everything is okay. Okay. So after that you can click, you can go at the end of the page. End of the page. Don't click on this button. I'm just telling you. Once you click on order delivery with Bojo, so once you click on this button, that time this order will be reflect on the Bojo platform, and we have a ground team. They will assign the rider on the particular order, and the rider will pick up the parcel and start delivering at the customer location. You can do the multiple delivery at the same time. Let's suppose you have a one single pickup point and you are thinking I have a 4, 5 or 6 order. So first pickup point and the multiple delivery point A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, something like that.
Okay. Okay. So how this will work? Money transfer fee 1,000. What about
Money
that?
money transfer fee. It is showing to you. Wait fee, okay. Money transfer fee. Okay, let me check this thing actually. It is showing for every order, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Just wait, let me
So
take
drop
this
off this address one. How will I have multiple addresses put inside this?
you need to Just go back on the page.
And actually, when we go to the order page,
Right.
right now
You
I
need to
selected a
click
single order.
multiple
If
checkbox
I
point
select
here.
yes, if I
Okay.
select the whole, then you will see the multiple orders on the portals.
Okay. Okay.
So the first one,
Second
the
one.
second one,
Okay.
and the
Okay.
third.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
But I'm little bit confused about this money transfer fee.
Sir,
Okay.
I will confirm to you this thing. Don't worry. Okay, I will discuss, and I will check this thing, and I will get back to you by email. Okay, about this thing.
So, so now we can end this call or what?
Do you have any query? So we can continue this call, sir. If you don't have any query, everything is sorted out from your side, then we can end up the call right now.
Just we need to configure the thing, so that's why we are confused. So we are because we are new to this platform. So.
I can totally understand, so don't worry. So now the plugin has been installed in your system successfully. Everything is fine. Okay,
Yes,
you can
yes.
proceed for the placing the order on both your platform. I will confirm and I will get back to you on this money transfer. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Just let me know once it's active. I will check the WhatsApp.
Should I send you my email ID so that you can check all the pictures? Yeah. But while like मैं अभी एक थोड़ी सी ना stupid बातें करना चाहूंगी. Like मैंने first time आपको देखी थी टीवी पे of course, but वो कब देखी थी मैं? When you are और मुझे वो dialogue है याद. Page 3 का जो है ना वो, and you were like so कब क्या होता? That was corporate film. Or sorry, it was that corporate. हाँ. And I am like, oh my god, who is this? Who is कौन बात ऐसे करती है? पट्टू कट्टू. And that time I was young, like I was too young to understand those kind of watch, right? But then I'm like, but I really liked you there. Okay. On screen, I really liked you there, and then obviously like things change. You also have grown up, like as an artist and stuff. And I've become much more calmer also. No, but I feel that do you I mean these are off the record. Like do you think somewhere like maybe you started as a like model and acting numbers and all that you have done that. So like as an actress, आपको उतना seriously नहीं I believe आपका screen presence अब कुछ सोचो ना मतलब मैं तो छोटी थी. I'm not saying that मैं इस तरीके से नहीं बात कर रही हूँ, but अब कुछ सोचो ना मतलब अगर मुझे वो पहली दफा देख के मुझे अगर दिमाग में वो बैठ गया है, इसका मतलब at that time I did not know anything about it. That was corporate film. Or sorry, it was that corporate. हाँ. And I am like, oh my god, who is this? कौन बात ऐसे करती है? पट्टू कट्टू. And that time I was young, like I was too young to understand those kind of watch, right? But then I'm like, but I really liked you there. Okay. On screen, I really liked you there, and then obviously like things change. You also have grown up, like as an artist and stuff. And I've become much more calmer also. No, but I feel that do you I mean these are off the record. Like do you think somewhere like maybe you started as a like model and acting numbers and all that you have done that. So like as an actress, आपको उतना seriously नहीं I believe आपका screen presence अब कुछ सोचो ना मतलब मैं तो छोटी थी. I'm not saying that मैं इस तरीके से नहीं बात कर रही हूँ, but अब कुछ सोचो ना मतलब अगर मुझे वो पहली दफा देख के मुझे अगर दिमाग में वो बैठ गया है, इसका मतलब at that time I did not know anything about filmmaking or anything, right? पता भी नहीं था कि मैंने कभी मीडिया पढ़ना है, right? See, वो इसलिए पूछते I'm very confident about my art because there was a time when there were lots of films that were being I was a lead actor, but they were those small budget B films, because there was a time when the Malika Sharawat, Neha Gupta, Pal Rohati's zone was working. But even in that zone, your content you have to shoot something. You have to shoot those films also. So it was not erotica. It was straight films shot at small budget, but had a bit of sex here and there, and those teasing type of a thing. But I have come from that zone. Though it was item songs, glamour, I realized that the surrounding wanted to typecast me as somebody who is, not substantial. No, they don't want to take a sexy woman or a woman who has a mind of her own, can say no or whatever,
films also. So it was not erotica. It was straight films shot in small budget, but had a bit of sex here and there, and those teasing type of a thing. But I have come from that zone. Though it was item songs, glamour, I realized that the surrounding wanted to typecast me as somebody who is, not substantial. No, they don't want to take a sexy woman or a woman who has a mind of her own, can say no or whatever. As you don't want to, but then control is too strong. You understand? And then I got involved in the controversy, and the bro code took over, and the bro code was influential. So the bro code made me shift to reality shows. So what happened when I got into reality shows? So acting project got less. So when I was making my money, I was keeping my limelight on. Now again I want to get into OTT and do substantial projects. I'm not interested in your television. I'm not interested in your Sasco parties. So that's why it's not as if offers don't come. It's just that I'm not interested. Who wants to play those Sasco serial roles?
No, not Sasno, but OTT exactly.
Yeah, I want to get into OTT, but I have to now get into that zone. People have to cast me for Payal Rohani also. They cannot cast me in some stupid role. They have to cast me in a good role. And I would also do a good role. It's not even about money, because money is something that I keep it secondary at a certain point. But give me a good role. So yes, let's see what God decides. God does he want me to, start making money from here and then produce my own OTT only.
No, seriously, I'm like, after screen presence, काफी strong है and everything, but then I don't understand it. Like, but perhaps that's where comes the industry inside politics.
Yes, and the industry inside.
Putting somebody in a box, or I mean, maybe I might just sound completely naive here, but the thing is, what I realized also, the thing is, on the surface level, ना, they will be like, हाँ, so क्या हुआ कि अभी चलो वो चैप्टर क्लोज है तो अभी नई शुरुआत करते हैं और that बोलने के लिए बोलते हैं